TV. Today we're going to review two books, one of which is Circle Volume 1, and the second, Mike the Inventor. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? This is O from CLO Ed TV. Today we're going to review two products. Both of these you can find on the CLO Learn Shop website, or you can go to Amazon.com to pick your copy up. So we're going to review two books today. We're going to start with this book first here. This is called Mike the Inventor. Now this book, basically it's a story about a kid who comes from a poor family, and he basically uses his ingenuity, creativity, and imagination to create his own toys and inventions. Once you open up the book, you notice that it has a nice cover on the front, title on the front, description on the back. And when you open it up, you notice that the acknowledgement page is here, and then it just goes into the story with different illustrations. This is a black and white book, very good story for ages 3 and up. This is a good reader to actually read just before bedtime, or if you have reading time during school. You can pick this copy up for $12.99 on my website. All right, that is Mike the Inventor. Very good story and a nice surprise at the end. The second book I'm going to review is called Circle, Bringing Artists Together. Now this book was a part of a publishing seminar that I'll have, and if you're interested in that seminar, it'll be a part of my online courses coming up at the end of October. Now with this particular book, this was a collaboration between me and 6 other artists, and we came together and put together a almost like photo gallery book or art gallery type of book with different pieces of art and different encouragements for artists who would like to become artists. So we'll take a minute and look through the book right here at the tabletop. So as you can see, it has a very colorful cover, and the design of this cover, I wanted to make sure that everybody was incorporated that was a part of the project into the cover. Very beautiful cover. When you flip it to the back, you'll notice that it dons the ISBN and all the branding related to the company, and also gives you a brief description of what's inside of the book. Let's take a look inside of the book and see what we're looking at. So when you open up the book, you're gonna notice that the first page has one of the quotes which has helped me as an artist and designer from one of my favorite professors during my college career. And that'll be a quote in there. You're met with a table of contents, okay? Right here, it's basically giving an acknowledgement of what the book is for, and also the artists included. And the first couple of pages highlighted in gray are the mashup, which means it's a mixture of different artist pieces and put together. As you go through, you're gonna notice that there is a bio page and also a descriptive of what got those artists started and what they do and the words they would like to share with you all to encourage you to continue to do what you do. Okay, now each section is highlighted by a different color, and towards the end, and I'll go ahead and flip it to the end, on this page here, if you would like to reach out and you see some artwork within the book that you would like to purchase, or if you want to just support an artist that was in this book, then you would go to this page here, and the contact information, you can reach out to those artists yourself. And it would be great to encourage those artists and support them any way that you can. And as you can see on the back, has my contact information and promotional page for the company. So if you're interested in picking up this book is also available on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. Also, you can pick this up on my website as well. Make sure to pick this one up on Amazon. This is the perfect coffee table book. There's over 50 different artworks in this book, so you're getting a great value for what you buy. Be sure to click the link below so you can pick up your book. I'll be including the links for each artist in the description below. If you would like to reach out to them, they do a lot of great work. And if you're looking to pick up something special or support each artist within this book, I'll leave the link below. All right, we're gonna wrap this video up. Thank you again for watching. And if you would like to pick up either one of these books, these will be available on my website, or Circle Bringing the Artists Together will also be available on Amazon. I will leave both links in the description below of this video. Also visit the website if you want to get custom work done, or if there's something special, specific that you would like to pick up. Once again, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.